You all know that I always encourage my viewers to start selling digital products online because they don't cost a single penny to create, you can sell them from anywhere in the world, and they can also generate huge profits. And today, if we head over to Etsy, I found an amazing product that we can design together, and I'm confident it can bring you some really great sales. So come on, open up your laptop and let's jump right in. You'll see that this product is a digital product, and that's exactly what we're looking for. And the seller is selling this product for $3.40, which is a great price that is generating sales for them. Now, if we take a look at the product images, you'll see that this is a very simple and straightforward product. Basically, the seller created several pages at the beginning that contain jars, with each jar representing a specific color. Then, on the next page, the seller created rectangles, with each rectangle representing a different color as well. And inside each rectangle is the name of the color that matches the colors of the jars, but on a separate page. Then, on the following pages, the seller created squares, and inside each square, there is a specific object, such as fruits, insects, and other items. But every 4 objects have a color that matches one of the colors of the jars. This product teaches children colors, and it also teaches them how to practice matching and cutting. So, if you look at this video, you'll see that the child cuts out the different objects and places them on the jar according to their color. This way, the child learns colors very easily, and at the same time, they also learn the names of many different objects. So, how are we going to design this product? The process is super easy. First, I'll head over to ChatGPT using the completely free version, and I'll ask it to give me a list of common colors for children and also give me, next to each color, a list of objects that are commonly associated with that color. After that, I'll head directly over to Canva so we can start designing this product together. I'll create a new design with dimensions of 8.5 by 11 inches. The first pages will be the pages we saw with the jars, so I'll go over to the Elements section and search for jar. You'll find, my friend, that there are many different jar designs available. All you have to do is choose the style you like. I'll choose this jar, and then I'll enlarge it until it fills the entire page. Then, I'll duplicate it several times so that the number of jars matches the number of colors I want to teach children. So, for this example, let's work with 5 colors. After that, I'll change the jar lid on each page to a specific color. For example, the first jar lid will be red, the second jar will be blue, the third will be yellow, the fourth will be orange, and the fifth will be green. And let's use these colors for this video. And just like that, we've very easily finished designing the jar pages. But before we move on to the rest of the design, there's something very important I want to tell you. If you really want to dive into the world of digital products and start selling on Etsy and Amazon, then you need to check out my bundle of 95 digital products created specifically for Etsy and Amazon sellers. It includes 80 complete books, and each book contains around 30 ready-to-sell pages that you can start listing on Etsy and Amazon almost immediately. And here's the best part, you're not just getting PDF files. You'll also receive fully editable Canva files, making it incredibly easy to customize every single page. You can edit the designs, combine different pages together, and create completely new products that are unique to your own store. My team and I have over 7 years of experience selling digital products on Etsy and Amazon, and we've packed that experience into this collection of 80 books. If you use these products the right way, customize them, combine them, and truly make them your own before selling them, I'm confident you can build a business that generates thousands of dollars every month. Even better, we continuously update the bundle with new products every month. We've recently added 15 brand new Etsy-focused products, and I've made them hidden products so they're available exclusively to people who purchase the bundle. Now, let's jump directly into Canva and start designing this product from scratch. Now that we've finished designing the jars, we'll move on to the next page, which is the page dedicated to the colors. All I have to do is go over to the Shapes section, and I'll add this square. I'll adjust its width so that it becomes a rectangle and fits nicely with the jars. Then I'll add some text by pressing the letter T on the keyboard, and I'll type in the colors that we're using for the jars. Each rectangle will contain one of the colors. For example, I'll color the first rectangle red, and then I'll type red inside it. After that, I'll duplicate the rectangle until I have 5 rectangles, and I'll arrange them one below the other. This number should match the number of jars and the number of colors that I want to teach the children. For example, if you're going to teach children 10 colors, then you should create 10 rectangles. After that, all I have to do is change the colors of these rectangles and also change the color names inside them. For example, I'll make the third rectangle green and type the word green inside it, and so on. And just like that, we've finished designing the second page, which is one of the easiest pages in this entire product. Now let's move directly to the next pages, which are also super easy. This page will contain the shapes that the child will cut out and stick onto the jars. To keep everything organized, I want to add dotted squares so that the child knows exactly where to cut. So, how am I going to do that? I'll go over to the Shapes section and I'll add the same square. But this time, using the settings at the top, I'll change the line to a dotted line with a thickness of 2. Then I'll change its color to white so it's ready for us to place the different shapes inside it. And don't forget to adjust the size of these squares so they match the size of the jars, because at the end, the child will cut out these squares and stick them onto each jar. After that, I'll add several of these squares throughout the page. So let's say I'll add 12 squares on this page. For each color, you should have 4 squares. I'm just giving you an example here. You'll continue adding more squares on the following pages. Now, very easily, I'll go back to ChatGPT. For example, let's start with the objects for the color red. I'll search for apple, choose the appropriate apple image, resize it, and place it inside the first square. Then I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the second word, which is ladybug, and choose the appropriate image from Canva as well. I'll add it to the second square after resizing it. And I'll continue doing the same thing. For example, the third image will be a strawberry, and the fourth will be a cherry, and so on. And just like that, we've finished the red color. I'll follow the exact same process with the other colors. For the blue color, I'll add 4 different objects after going back to ChatGPT, and then I'll do the same thing for the yellow color, and continue until we've finished all of the colors. For each color, you'll have 4 squares containing 4 different objects that are made up of or associated with that color. And once you're finished, my friend, here's what the child will do. They'll go to the colors page and cut out the first color, which is red. Then, they'll go back to the jar that has the red color and stick this color right in the middle of the jar. After that, they'll go to the page containing all of the different shapes, cut out all the shapes that contain the color red, and stick them onto the red jar. This way, the child can learn colors very easily while also learning the names of different objects that are associated with those colors. After that, you can download your file as a PDF, and you already know exactly how to sell it on Etsy and Amazon. I'll see you in a brand new video, and I'll see you next time.